Welcome to Mediating Love. Today we're going to talk about the concept of twin flames and how to find your own twin flame. The idea of a twin flame is a soul connection that is said to be deeper and more intense than a typical romantic relationship. In this video, we will discuss what a twin flame is, the signs that you've met your twin flame, and how to find your own twin flame. Now before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and let's get it started. First, let's define what a twin flame is. A twin flame is said to be a mirror of your soul, and is often thought as the other half of your soul. It's a person who is meant to be with you for your entire life, and is believed to be your perfect match. The signs that you've met your twin flame may include an intense feeling of familiarity and connection, a sense of destiny, and a feeling of completeness and wholeness when you're with them. To find your twin flame, it's important to focus on your own self-growth and development. This can include things like meditation, journaling, and pursuing your passions. By becoming the best version of yourself, you'll be more likely to attract your twin flame into your life. Another important step in finding your twin flame is to trust the universe and to let go of any expectations or timelines. Your twin flame may not come into your life when you expect them to, but trust that when the time is right, the universe will bring you together. It's also important to open yourself up to new experiences and new people. Your twin flame may come into your life in unexpected ways, so it's important to keep an open mind and to be open to new possibilities. In conclusion, twin flames are believed to be the other half of your soul and are thought out to be the perfect match. The signs that you've met your twin flame include an intense feeling of familiarity and connection, a sense of destiny and purpose, and a feeling of completeness and wholeness when you're with them. To find your twin flame, focus on your own self-growth and development. Trust the universe, and keep an open mind and open yourself up to new experiences and new people. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice and tips. Remember that finding your twin flame is a journey, and it's important to focus on your own self-growth and development, and to keep an eye open and trust the universe. Thank you guys for listening, and I'll see you next time.